What is the numerical value of the charge of an electron described as? A. A very large value. B. A moderately large value. C. An immeasurable value. D. Or a very tiny value. The correct answer is D. A very tiny value. Who established a full-fledged printing press in 1709 at Truncabar? A. F.W. Ellis. B. Meenakshisundaram. C. Caldwell. D. Seidenborg. The correct answer is D. Seidenborg. What kind of resources are wasted when plastics are burned? A. Renewable resources. B. Non-renewable resources. C. Biodegradable resources. D. Abundant resources. The correct answer is B. Non-renewable resources. What percentage of the total land area is occupied by grazing land and cash crops? A. Approximately 3%. B. Around 10%. C. Less than 1%. D. Slightly more than 5%. The correct answer is D. Slightly more than 5%. Which of the following is listed as a common social factor contributing to prejudice? A. Advanced technology. B. Socialization. C. Global interconnectedness. D. Individual creativity. The correct answer is B. Socialization. How many pairs of cranial nerves form the peripheral nervous system, PNS? A. 24. B. 12. C. 10. D. 37. The correct answer is B. 12. What was Harsha noted for in terms of religious policy? A. Conversion. B. Toleration. C. Expansion. D. Persecution. The correct answer is B. Toleration. Grapes contain which type of acid? A. Malic acid. B. Oxalic acid. C. Tartaric acid. D. Nitric acid. The correct answer is C. Tartaric acid. Which statement is true about the apparent weight of a person? A. It is always greater than their actual weight. B. It is always equal to their actual weight. C. It can be different from their actual weight. D. It is never equal to their actual weight. The correct answer is C. It can be different from their actual weight. How do acids affect blue litmus paper? A. They turn it green. B. They turn it red. C. They turn it yellow. D. They turn it orange. The correct answer is B. They turn it red. What is the primary topic of the ICT Corner section? A. Economic development. B. Indian history. C. Cultural heritage. D. Defense and foreign policy. The correct answer is D. Defense and foreign policy. What is the age range for adolescents? A. 10 to 16 years. B. 11 to 20 years. C. 11 to 17 years. D. 13 to 19 years. The correct answer is B. 11 to 20 years. What separation method is used to separate insoluble solid particles from a liquid using filter paper? A. Decantation. B. Filtration. C. Winnowing. D. Sedimentation. The correct answer is B. Filtration. Which type of rivers are mentioned as flowing through different parts of Asia? A. Seasonal rivers. B. Underground rivers. C. Perennial rivers. D. Tidal rivers. The correct answer is C. Perennial rivers. During lightning and thunder, where should one avoid standing for safety? A. Inside a car. B. In ground or open spaces. C. Under a sturdy bridge. D. Inside a building with a lightning arrestor. The correct answer is B. In ground or open spaces. What is the direction of deflection for beta rays when affected by electric and magnetic fields? A. Not deflected. B. Same as alpha rays. C. Opposite to alpha rays. D. Perpendicular to alpha rays. The correct answer is C. Opposite to alpha rays. Which country was expelled from the League of Nations for attacking Finland? A. Germany. B. France. C. Russia. D. Italy. The correct answer is C. Russia. What does the text suggest the lesson will explore? A. More about electricity. B. Different types of natural resources. C. How to build electric appliances. D. The history of power plants. The correct answer is A. More about electricity. Which of these is a healthy activity recommended for individuals in rehabilitation? A. Sedentary hobbies. B. Excessive gaming. C. Yoga and meditation. D. Constant social media use. The correct answer is C. Yoga and meditation. In the experimental setup, where is the lukewarm water placed? A. On the far left. B. In the center. C. Anywhere on the table. D. On the far right. The correct answer is B. In the center. What is a common farm instrument used for harvesting in many countries? A. Sprinkler. B. Plow. C. Tractor. D. Sickle. The correct answer is D. Sickle. What is measured in Newton meters, Nm, or Dyne cm? A. Power. B. Force. C. Moment of a force or couple. D. A work. The correct answer is C. Moment of a force or couple. What do plants release during the process of photosynthesis? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. O. Water vapor. The correct answer is A. Oxygen. What were the peasants required to pay? A. Various taxes. B. Only fines. C. Loans. D. Salaries. The correct answer is A. Various taxes. What is the motto of the Goods and Service Tax, GST? A. Multiple nations, one market, one tax. B. One nation, multiple taxes, one market. C. One nation, one market, one tax. D. One nation, one market, multiple taxes. The correct answer is C. One nation, one market, one tax. What problem is listed concerning the workforce? A. Good technical and vocational training. B. High availability of skilled laborers. C. Excessive unionization. D. Non-availability of cheap laborers. The correct answer is D. Non-availability of cheap laborers. What material did the Harappans not possess knowledge about? A. Copper. B. Bronze. C. Ivory. D. Iron. The correct answer is D. Iron. What measure should be avoided to prevent lung cancer? A. Regular exercise. B. Getting regular checkups. C. Tobacco smoking. D. Consuming a healthy diet. The correct answer is C. Tobacco smoking. One of the learning objectives in the Industries unit is to understand the classification of what? A. Industrial technologies. B. Economic activities. C. Natural resources. D. Industrial waste. The correct answer is B. Economic activities. Where is the key or legend of a map typically located? A. Bottom right or left corner. B. Center of the map. C. Top right corner. D. Top left corner. The correct answer is A. Bottom right or left corner. How did you score?